Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove box around text in Word document. So here you can see that there is a box around the text, and if you want to remove it, what you need to do is go to the insert, and on the right side here you can see the text box. Click on that, and here you need to click on the draw text box. Here you need to draw the text box, and inside write anything which you want and adjust it according to your choice. And after that, click on the box and right click and go to the format shape. And on the right side menu, you will see a fill and line option. You need to drop down line option, and here you can see that no line. You need to click on that and click on the Word document, and here you can see that the box around the text has been removed. So this is pretty simple and easy. So I hope you learned that how to remove box around the text in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.